Folks, good morning. Good morning here from the Philippines. Just sitting here chilling like a villain. Let's see who I got. I got wife number 2, and who is that? Oh, wife number 8 on the scene. Put it on right. Let's see how you look.
Wow.
Whoa.
Cover.
Little cowgirl right
Nice.
there.
Yeah!
Easy, baby.
Look what people staring.
Oo, nakakahiya kayo.
Why are you swearing like that? You have a big tummy. You have a straight tummy. What the fuck?
Yeah, maybe a lot of people there
No, baby.
looking.
I know that.
They are
I don't
asking,
care what they.
"Oh,
I don't
why
care
this
what
story this
they
wearing
said, but
the bikini and
sometimes.
very
Sometimes-
chubby and yeah, you know.
Look, there's 2 things I like, baby. I like chubby and I like stretch marks.
Ay, bahala ka na.
So you're in luck. Don't worry about what everybody else thinks, right?
Yeah.
Ay ka na.
All them people in the village that do the chismes, do they pay your rent? No. Do they buy rice? No. Do they buy your clothes? No. Do they buy your Jollibee? No. Then all them people in the village doing the chismes, it don't matter.
Not in the village, in the beach.
Lumit yata yung cigarettes niya. Hindi na pang
Maliit
kapre.
na.
That's not for the capri cigarettes because
I got a bigger one in there for the cap rate. I got the smaller one because I didn't want to scare
this
you
is the
ladies.
baby.
Yeah,
Baby.
This is the Cano.
Baby smoke.
but I got the cap rate cigar in there.
Baby smoke? No,
Yeah,
Mama
baby
Tima.
cigarettes.
I think tonight I'm gonna climb that tree out there. I'm gonna climb up in that tree with my big cigar and just wait till Fatima comes out there looking for me. I know, where are you? I'll be up in there just puffing one on the branch.
Because
Wala nga kaming gulay. Wait to go in the market.
yeah, because he said he
I was
ride
supposed to go this morning.
before.
Yeah,
he need to buy
yesterday. You
the-
supposed to be to go yesterday, but
Ate,
So he said I buy a lot of stuff at the market.
Yeah.
It's cause I got a Filipina that's always eating.
I said, and then he said, oh, he looks like cowboy.
Cause I am a
Yeah.
cowboy.
Yeah, that's his style, cowboy.
That's it. I can ride, rope, hammer, and paint.
How to ride the horse.
I tell you, babe, if it's got hair on it, I can ride it.
what?
100%.
What is this?
It's an expensive pet. There you go. That's all I want to talk about horses. I ain't no drugstore cowboy, but I'm not looking to go out and buy another horse farm. All right. There you go. And she's talking about we have a new series that we're watching, and it started out. We watched a documentary. Watched a documentary about that girl named Anna. She's like supposed was a scam artist with the New York elite. I don't know the whole story. We watched a short documentary and then found out that there's a Netflix series. What's it called?
Invented Anna.
Inventing Anna. It's Anna, whatever her name is. So me and her sat down, started watching Ozark, and we binge watched that shit for like the next 4 nights. We had no sleep, got no work done, no filming, just sat there and watched Ozark and were zombies the next day.
Business siya.
Kailan?
Ha?
Kailan? Sa Netflix?
On that Netflix.
Maganda talagang panoorin ng Netflix kasi meron yung lahat ng mga movies na lalagyan.
Ganda.
Mga bago pa.
Gusto ko yung baril-barilan, patay-patay.
Ako, I like horror movie.
Like
Like zombie
a zombie?
and the
Okay.
I like western,
carnival.
old movie, mga western. Meron. Gusto ko yung ganyan mga
Barilan talaga.
yung mga
like action.
crime. Gusto ko yung crime, yung
Tantay.
old movie,
I
mga
like drama.
western.
Drama?
Yeah, gusto ko yung love story na old.
Ladies?
Sorry.
Okay, that's good that y'all laid down some Tagalog, but could we switch back to English?
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, that's
We
okay.
need to talk English.
Well, we need a little bit of both because a lot of my subscribers, they have Filipino girlfriends or wives, so they enjoy the Tagalog too.
Yeah.
But for the single man sitting there at the house, he got no idea what you're saying. 'Cause he don't speak Tagalog.
You need to buy na
He was
food market say. I'm hungry.
Honey, you just said that you ate breakfast.
No, I'm not eat the breakfast na.
Nope. Rewind the video. You already ate breakfast. She did not. And then you're going to come in here and interrupt our conversation because you're hungry?
I'm not said that. You said, I said that you asking if you are. Then I said, I feed the baby.
What?
I'm not. I said I feed them, but I'm not feed myself.
Oh, okay. So the babies have breakfast, but you didn't eat breakfast.
Yeah. Fatima is not
Okay, well, why is Maria eating chips?
already
You know her?
eating.
Folks, these two
If she
babies
wants
are
something-
potato chip
Oh.
eliminators. They eliminate more potato chips up at our sorry store than anybody. And we make them eat breakfast first most of the time. Sometimes she lets them eat the chips on the way back. They don't eat breakfast.
No.
Baby, gotta work on that.
You know them. If they want something, they want to give. They're going to cry.
That's what babies do.
Oh,
So now he's hungry. So, ladies, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
Fatima.
Oy, I'm not eating chicken anymore. I'm
You tired of eating chicken?
gabam. Kulang na lang pakpak sa akin.
What's the kulang? Pak.
Oh, even you're tired to eat.
Okay, baby. All right. So you don't want chicken. Duly noted. Let me ask the same question. What do you want to eat? I did not say
Okay.
I'm going to order chicken. All I said was, what do you want to eat? And she tells me about how she don't want to eat chicken.
Because you keep doing that. What's the food in what's the food in the ref? That's what we eat. Only the chicken in there.
Because you always eat all the pork and the fish out of there first.
But
There's nothing left but the chicken.
Ano
Oh, y'all see the
ginagawa mo
stress
sa
I'm
chicken
under?
ka na?
I don't like chicken adobo because they put the bones in there and it's like trying to eat soup with bones. Every bite
nice.
is a potential
It's
broken
nice to
tooth.
put the bones.
No, they're not interesting to me.
It's not interesting to me without bones.
Well,
Ano na?
I'm not interested
Hindi ko na
in chicken adobo. Okay, I'm a pork adobo man because there's no bones in there and I can just eat my
Yes,
soup
okay.
and enjoy and not have to worry about going to the dentist.
Check. Ano?
Hey, buddy. All right, ladies. Let me renew my question.
Yes,
What do you ladies want to eat?
Can you order a whole mang ina sana no, lechon baboy.
Anong mukbang naman?
Lechon baboy good marketos. I missed that.
Oh,
She wants a whole Lechon Baboy. She wants a whole cooked pig.
oh.
No, it's already cooked. They have it.
Listen, this ain't Fiesta. It's not your birthday. If you were in the village, you get Lechon Baboy once a year at Fiesta when you get a free scoop.
But it's been 3 years that I'm not.
That's not true. That's an absolute bulla.
Oh, it's been 3 years when my forest is christening now. Christening.
What about the trip to Tagagarao at Pablo's Pig Farm? We had 2 Lechon Baboys. I got the video where we slayed them bad boys.
No, I'm still pregnant that time, sir.
Anong kumain ka na?
All right, so maybe that was more than 3 years. Let me extend it to 4 years. Within 4 years, you've ate Lechon Baboy. Yeah?
Hindi na ba?
Hey, listen. If I get on the Grab app, there is no place to order an entire Lechon Baboy. Nor do we have the funding for that. Folks, I'm going to ask one more time, and if they don't answer something reasonable for food, I'm just going to go ahead and continue about my day. Baby, I don't owe you $5,500. That is false.
You are.
I gave her 5,000 pesos. She spent it on various things, from food to shampoo to whatever. And now she claims that I was supposed to pay for all that, so she wants her 5,000 pesos back.
No, I buy your.
Honey, you went and you bought squid and livers and all kinds of stuff like that. That's not for me. You bought that for yourself. Why do I gotta reimburse you?
So, balirik, pataka ka man lang.
I gave you the money. You
Ay,
spent it.
bahala ka na sa buhay mo eh.
Now you want to be reimbursed for your lax spending habits.
Listen,
Yes.
she needs to eat
Sige na nga.
she's pregnant baby.
Maybe she buntis?
Ay,
Are you
shit.
buntis?
No way!
She said that's why you want to eat the lechon baboy, you're buntis.
Nagpatanga.
Yeah.
Oh,
What do you think?
you see all the excuses these
Oh, yeah.
Filipinos will come up with to get you to buy lechon baboy.
All the girls if like that wants to
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not happy.
Well, I tell you, I'm making you a deal, baby. You go to the birthing clinic and I get a positive buntis test, and I'll buy a lechon baboy.
Grabe, ito napakasiris
Well,
na talaga.
Big celebration to celebrate your buntisness. Okay? I'll get a lechon baboy, we'll kill it next door over there by the rabbits.
I'm nabuntis.
Kill 2 rabbits and a goat. We'll celebrate. Celebration.
Next time na lang.
Oo, ay mahulog ka pa.
Next time na lang.
Ano? Pabuntis ka na naman na bawal makakain.
Bahala ka, hindi ko kakain dito.
If either one of you are buntis, we'll have a big celebration to celebrate the buntisness. Now, Nenita's family, if you're just joining us, nobody here is buntis. We're just having a conversation about excuses to get lechon baboy. Nobody's buntis. Everybody relax. Easy on the chismos. Now, I said that's the last time I was going to ask them about what they wanted to eat, and I'm going to go about my day. I think about going and getting in the hot tub back there, in the cool tub.
I need to put my
Who
face
wants to
in
join
it.
me?
I need to put my face. My eyes
You ladies want to join me in the cool tub? Baby, go in there and get both of your extra small bikinis, and then
No,
let's get them on.
Forrest!
Little tenderoni time. Nah, we can't do that. Who's gonna watch the children? That's why you need 3 ladies at times. Really, that's what you need. Folks, life is much better when you have 2 ladies, but you need a part-time 3rd lady. Like a part-time, that song. Part-time lover. You don't want the 3rd one full-time because then it doesn't work. You have to buy a bigger bed. Alright? But you need that 3rd one to come in during the day or on call, you know, so you can have tenderoni time with the 2 that you got.
How are you gonna get a maid on?
Well, I might get a yaya, just get a yaya, but I think I'd rather have a 3rd part-time. The pork sticks that came from Mom Ingersoll with that peanut sauce. Oh, masarap. But then the next day we go to reorder it and it's all grayed out. There's no pork available.
They said it's the pork is so expensive in the market.
I don't know, but all I know is we went on there several times for the sole purpose of ordering a bunch of that pork and you can't order it. So, anyhow.
Forrest,
Hey, there's a lot of noise emitting from over there. Could you go check?
because he kept putting the clothes in there.
Where's he putting the clothes, baby?
Because she's been accident.
So the babies know that the dirty clothes go in the washing machine. Now Forrest G knows too. But I think he probably puts more than just the dirty clothes in there. You know what I mean? He can reach it. He just puts them over in there.
Really in the
He's like
cabinet?
that. In the washing machine, yeah.
Yeah, he knows.
He knows, yeah.
Because
He watched Maria put the dirty clothes in there, and now he likes to put stuff in there. That's what he was doing, folks. That's so funny. Fatima takes her panties and she rolls them up, sort of like a, you know, like Ranger rolling a t-shirt. She rolls these panties up and they're about that big. She don't fold them. He went in there and he got every one of her panties out of that cabinet and went and put in the washing machine.
Oh,
Yeah.
Forrest G?
Yeah.
Ala.
Good job, son.
Ibig sabihin, nilagay niya lahat yung mga malinis.
Malinis.
Diyos. Di pa di bagong labanan naman.
Kinuha na eh.
Eh, mga tiniklop ko nga eh. Nakita
Oo,
ko
kaya
na.
na nga. Lock yan din mga ano para doon. Kahit kukunin niya nila. Kaya doon sa
Peter,
washing. Kasi yan yung nakikita niya kay Pure o kay Maria na. Inutusan
job,
ko si
son.
Maria na. Lagay mo
Good job,
dirty
buddy.
doon sa washing.
Kaya hinangakot niya doon.
Oo.
Kahit clean, kahit malinis.
Maybe just stay the course. I know it's hard. I know it's difficult. There's a lot for you to do and learn and, you know, get to the next level.
Hoy, this is not play ha.
You have the opportunity to one day get back to wife number one.
Bahala ka.
Maingay daw tayo.
Baby, I'm trying to make an award-winning YouTube video and you're turning the TV on.
What happened to ano network?
I'm using my mind to block it out so you can't mess up my audio. That's how powerful my mind is.
I did. Marquitos, what happened to the network?
Well, baby, you see what happens is when certain packets get transferred over a fiber optic line, when there's a... How the hell do I know, baby? My goodness. There you go. When in doubt, just reset the thing. There you go. Alright, folks. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for...
Bye.
Yeah, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for joining us. And
Thanks for
Hey.
watching.
yeah, thanks for watching.
For subscribing, Mark.
And please leave all your messages, comments for the beautiful Nenita down below. You're gonna read the comments, right?
Yeah.
But you
No
know what I'm saying,
Wi-Fi?
baby. Honey. Alright, we're out of here, folks. Thanks for joining us. Sweetie? What?
She put ponytail in my hair.
Oh, she's got two combs together. That's why they keep getting tangled up. Sweetie, just use one comb.
You don't have Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi? It's probably because... Oh, I know why. Can I tell you why?
What?
I just figured it out. I unplugged the Wi-Fi because I plugged in that light because it was too dark in here. So,
Ay, kano?
yeah, just unplug that light and then plug it back in. I'm sure it's going to work. That's just how I'm gonna.
Sumpag
See y'all folks tomorrow. Peace out, my friends. Honey, ladies, give Big Daddy a kiss.
Ching!